Hello, and welcome to our instructional video tutorial. This video will teach you how to read the schedule of classes found at classes.ucr.edu. This website, a component of our web, is very important because it allows students to register for classes and check for available spots in their preferred courses. Our video will provide an overview of how to view and interpret these search results. Now, let us begin. To get started, you will first need to navigate to rweb.ucr.edu. You will then need to log in using your UCRNet ID, password, and multi-factor authentication. Once you have logged in, you will see several options on your left. Select the option Registration by clicking the icon. This will take you to a page where you see several options, including Register for Classes, Browse Schedule of Classes, Browse Course Catalog, and Term Plan. In this case, we will need to select Register for Classes. This will then take you to a page where the screen will ask you to select the term for which you would like to register. Using the drop-down menu, select your term, then select Continue. Once you have done so, you will be able to search for the classes you want to register for using your designated criteria. First, we will talk about what each of these search criteria entails. The subject and course number text box allows you to search for a specific class by typing in the abbreviation of the subject followed by the 3-digit course number. In this case, we will search for Math 007B. Alternatively, you could use the subject box to type in Mathematics, which would bring in all the courses under the Mathematics subject. Next, you must check the Open Sections Only box if you would like to only see classes with available seats for registration. Once you have used these criteria, scroll down to the bottom and click Search. You will then see the results of your search criteria. Next, we will go over what to look for once the search results have loaded. On the left side, you will see the CRN or course registration number associated with the given class, followed by the subject, subject description, course number, section, and title. The subject is the abbreviated version of the subject description. The course number stays the same for a given class, but the section number changes for each section within that class. You are also able to click on the title of the class to see additional information on the course, such as course description, prerequisites, co-requisites, or instructor and meeting time information. Going back to the search results, you will notice a column that says Status. In this column, you can see if the class is full, and if not, how many seats remain. For more detailed information, you can click again on the title of the class, then select Enrollment/Waitlist. This indicates how many reserved and general seats are available for that class. Reserved seating is typically saved for students in a variety of programs. You will only be allowed to register for a class if the general seats are available. For instance, if a course says 3 out of 36 reserved seats are available and 0 out of 42 general seats are available, you will be unable to register for that section. This is an example of an available class. As you can see, there are 10 enrollment seats available out of a 30 enrollment maximum. However, this is an example of an unavailable course. As you can see, the status column indicates that the class is full, and selecting the Enrollment/Waitlist indicates that there are 0 enrollment seats available. On the far right side, you will see a button that says View Linked. By clicking this option, you will see what classes are linked to the course you searched. You can only choose discussion components that are linked to specific lectures, so be sure to verify that they are linked using this option. Please note that classes that have more than one component will require you to enroll in all components of the class, meaning lecture, discussion, and/or lab, in order to officially register for the class. If you search for a class and it is full, as shown here, you might have the option to waitlist, as indicated by 98 of 99 waitlist seats remain. In this case, you would then add the smallest section of the course. Please note that you can only waitlist this smallest component of the course. For example, for a course that has both a lecture and a discussion, you will only have the option to waitlist the discussion since that is a smaller component of the course. If you get into the class via the discussion waitlist, a spot will become available for you in the lecture, and you may enroll all linked components. Using the view linked function, we can once again add all courses, both the lecture and discussion, for this class. However, you will then have the option in this drop-down menu to select Waitlist for the discussion section. However, notice that the lecture does not have a waitlist option. This is because, once again, you can only enroll for the waitlist in the smaller of the two components. For now, select Remove from the lecture section and Waitlist from the discussion section. To finish processing your registration, make all desired action changes, then select Submit in the bottom right corner. When possible, it is best practice to waitlist on a course that has the most waitlist spots available in order to increase the likelihood of being admitted into the class. If a spot opens up through the waitlist, you will receive an email to your UCR address notifying you that you have 24 hours to accept your waitlist position. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you need help deciding which courses to enroll in, you may contact your academic advisor for recommendations. However, if you encounter technical difficulties during the enrollment process, please visit the CNAS Enrollment Management Center website at cnasemc.ucr.edu for assistance. Thank you for watching.